Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to reduce the opacity of part of an picture in Photopea software. So get started. At first, open your Photopea software. Now you can see reduce the opacity of part of picture. Now you go into the file menu option, then click. Now click from open option. Now click from select from picture. Now click from open option. That is. Now you can see open the picture in Photopea software. Then the opacity part of picture. Now going to the rectangle select menu option. Then click. Now select from picture. Now going to the background in the layer option. Now keyboard press from Ctrl plus J on. Now you can see, then again select from background. Now we again going to the rectangle select option. Now do a rectangle select from rectangle. Now keyboard press Ctrl X. Now going to the move tool option. That is. Now you can see. Now select from layer on. Now select from background. Now we opacity. Now opacity from 50%. That is. Now others layer on option. Now opacity the 50%. That is. Now you can see reduce quality opacity part of image in Photopea software is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.